Yo, what's up guys? So today we're fishing over at Lake Pardee.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Nhớ cho ông cho sát tóc tại mình cho nên sẽ tiêu
Hey, yo, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. So today we're fishing at Lake Pardee. I don't know if you guys can see in the background.
Water came up. Look. Start that ramp is fucking in the water. The water's in fucking the river right now. Rest of the boat, I think.
Oh shit, it's a smallie. It was a slow start. On the board. I didn't see it hit. He took it.
Yeah, he took it. You gotta
I don't have a plier, bruh.
I got pliers. You gotta you don't have to cut and retire mine though.
Why?
Cause he choked his line.
Let me see.
It's in there good.
Oh yeah, he ate.
Yeah, he swallowed it. It's way in there.
Let me see. Oh no, it's right there. It's not a triple. Just get the
Let me get my game pliers. No, I think it's on a two, big two.
super.
You call it big two?
Yeah, super two.
Super two.
Oh yeah, thanks, bro. Woo, let's go, baby. Nice. Good shit, bro. Thanks, man.
Out of all of them.
Whew, that was the one that wanted to buy. I picked Chase.
That's the one that shit is dry.
There we go. Look at that.
That's a nice one.
Look at that. Oh man, he took. Look at that. He hit the super tube, dude.
That's good.
That's crazy.
That's what I use for like bass fishing.
Uncle, you're. Damn. There we go, baby. No. This rainbow don't want to bite. Right here, look, around the shoreline. Yeah, looks like it. Where? Oh, shoreline. On the other side. Slow morning, but right now it's probably like 12 o'clock. Hey, what the fuck is that? Seaweed? Push you 1/32, huh?
Yeah. That's like my go-to.
Yeah, the wind's kind of blowing a little bit, so 1/16 is probably good. I want to know how much those guys gotta pay their fine.
Oh, I talked to the dude. He said that the men she fines are hell expensive.
Is it?
Yeah.
Which dude?
Because they're not like fishing.
A fishing gang?
No, they're not in regulation.
Oh man, they're done for life. That's good though. See all the little shadows?
Right there, huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
it
see?
doesn't.
Oh, I think that's just
It looks
rocks.
like it though.
Yeah. He wanted it. Time go, Tom. You want to head out? Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're fishing at Lake Pardee. My brother and I, we did all right. It was a slow morning to start. Not too bad. We did all right. At least we didn't skunk. Got this special beauty right here. Caught a lightning. I was at least happy you caught one. So we good there. That was pretty much it. I didn't see anybody else get hooked up too. So caught 3 fish total. 1 smallmouth bass this morning, and then caught 2 trout. 1 lightning. This is the one. It's a nice size, decent size, probably 2 to 3 pounds, and then a rainbow about 2 pounds. Not bad, but I didn't see anybody else get hooked up too. So yeah, it was a slow start. Right now it's about afternoon. Gonna call it a day, man. Lake Pardee. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Lee Thao Entertainment. Check you guys out later, man. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share the video. Come back for the next one. All right, peace.
Thank you for watching. อดเจ้าไอ้จงพงยีใช้ชุดละขอบคุณทุกคนที่เข้ามารักชุนขอให้ทุกคนมีสุขภาพแข็งแรง